The Meta Ray-Ban smart glasses blend classic eyewear design with modern technology, allowing users to capture photos and videos, listen to audio, and even interact with Meta AI. Here's a breakdown of how they work. Key features and functionality. Camera and capture. The glasses feature a built-in camera that allows users to capture photos and videos from a first-person perspective. A capture button on the frame makes it easy to take photos and videos. Audio. Integrated speakers in the frame allow for listening to music, podcasts, and taking calls. Multiple microphones are incorporated to improve call quality and reduce background noise. Meta AI. The glasses are equipped with Meta AI, a voice assistant that can answer questions, provide information, and control various functions. Users can activate Meta AI by saying, "Hey Meta." Connectivity and app. The glasses connect to smartphones via Bluetooth. The MetaView app is essential for managing settings, viewing and sharing captured media, and customizing voice controls. Live streaming. Users can live stream directly from the glasses to platforms like Instagram. Controls. They have touch controls on the side of the glasses, and voice controls. How it all comes together. The hardware, including the camera, speakers, and microphones, is seamlessly integrated into the Ray-Ban frame. The software, powered by Meta, enables the glasses to capture and process visual and audio information. The connection to a smartphone and the MetaView app allows for data transfer, control, and sharing. Meta AI provides the voice interactive functionality. In essence, the Ray-Ban Meta glasses are designed to provide a hands-free, integrated experience for capturing, sharing, and interacting with the world around you.